Hey guys, we received this Yoobure LED nightstand with a charger station. It's a mid-century modern nightstand with a fabric drawers. So you can put it as a nightstand near to the bed or any sofa or anything. So this comes in a nice protective box, as you can see, comes with all the accessories, nuts, screws, and everything. All the instructions are provided here. So these are all the tools that comes with it, all the screws and everything. This is the LED light strip outlet and all the other tools and stuff. So I'm just unboxing everything one by one so that you can see what comes inside. And then also I will show the whole content, a little bit of the installation process, and then the final product. So here you can see this comes in a really nice pack, and these are all the white color. So the white things, the panels and stuff. So these are the fabric drawers. So that's why I'm just trying to assemble this fabric drawers first. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. Just put in this thing inside and then put in the handle. So there are two fabric drawers. So there are the instruction steps. This is provided. So I have done those steps and then just do one by one. So there are the handles here and then the screws, and you have to just put it handle and screws with the supplied screwdriver. So all these assembly steps and numbers are provided that you can match, and you can just do it on your own. So one by one I'm assembling this product. So I just made the base. Now with the outlet I just put in the final step. So this is the final product, and you can see the LED lights. There is a remote control and that you can control, and this looks really nice. The total height is around 25.3 inches and the width is around 15.8 inches, and then the outer side is 11.8 with the top portion 5.2 inches with the drawer of 14.7 by 11.2 and 4.6. So you can see this is all like, and the outlets you can put like two power outlets, USB and USB-C. So basically a very nice end table and very useful, and you can adjust the light. The light can also be controlled by music, so you can have the music in here and then play. So very nice nightstand.